They've done it again and I can't believe it. The last time they did this, it was without a doubt one of the best opportunities in print-on-demand history. No matter who you are, whether you're a designer, a freelancer, a marketer, this is huge for you. The last time I saw this, I immediately made a video, and again, here I am. I'm on a holiday at the moment, but I saw this again and I thought I have got to make a video and let as many people know as possible before it's too late. And yes, I just want to say the thumbnail was serious. I have made over $18,000 from very simple graphics that you can get on Creative Fabrica. Personally, I tweaked the design to make it slightly more unique. And to cut a long story short, Creative Fabrica are currently offering their all access membership for just $1. Yes, you heard me right, $1. Well, what do you get for that $1? You get access to 95,244 fonts, 414,968 print-on-demand graphics, 4,908,087 graphics. As well as all of that, you also get free access to all of their classes, which they've now started doing, which are just awesome. And the icing on the cake, if that wasn't enough, what's even better is you get commercial right usage with all of this stuff. Sometimes they have a specific print-on-demand license where you don't even need to amend anything, and other times it's just more of the generic commercial usage license where you just have to tweak it a tiny bit, but still, I think this is pretty epic. But I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, this sounds awesome, but what's the catch? Because there's always a catch, and I want to go over that now, and after that I want to go over what my favorite assets are that you should start downloading straight away. So the catch is, it's only $1 for the first month. Then it auto renews at $19 a month, which is still 35% off what they normally charge, which is $29 a month. And that's really it. That's the catch, which isn't such a big deal, because what's even better than all of this is there's no commitment, there's no obligations here. You can cancel if you don't like it, if you don't want it, just cancel. And when you cancel, you can still use all the stuff you downloaded, and any designs that you made using the assets from Creative Fabrica, you can still use. The only thing you couldn't do if you canceled was download new assets or create new designs based on the assets you downloaded. So all in all, it just seems like a no-brainer. Now that we've got all of that out of the way and you know the full scope of this insane offer, let's head over to Creative Fabrica so I can show you what my favorite elements are. It is fonts. I love fonts. I don't know what it is, but I love having a huge library of fonts at my disposal. I find that you could be so creative and create such interesting and unique designs just from using cool, quirky, and unique fonts. So for me, that's what swayed me, but there is just so much more on offer other than just fonts. Let's have a look. After clicking the link down below, you'll head over to this page and you can just click try all access now. And after doing that, it will allow you to proceed to checkout and start for $1. Now let's have a look at what this gets us. Once you've done that, you'll be able to head over to their main page where you can see they've got even more fonts available than they had when I said it. They're just adding stuff all the time. But we're gonna go over here and we'll click view more on fonts. That's where I wanna take you first, because fonts for me is the favorite part of Creative Fabrica, for me personally, because I love fonts. I mean, look at this. Look at this font, and there's just so many fonts, and it goes on for ages and ages and ages. We're talking view all 95,365 fonts. That's crazy, over 2,500 pages. So let's just say we want to go with this one. You know, I feel like I can do a cool design with this one, so I click it. Commercial usage allowed, that's perfect, right? And then as well as that, you can see exactly what you're getting. So the glyphs, you see all of this, the numbers, the punctuation, you see everything you're getting, and you just click download. And it's as simple as that. Once you click download, it will just go over here and it will download. It's really, really that easy. I know it sounds like this is too good to be true, but it's just awesome. Now that we've had a look at fonts just for a bit, let's go to the pod category. Now this is my second favorite category, and that's because I'm in the print on demand world. And here you've got over 400,000 different graphics that are ready for print on demand, like ready to go. 35 dog, 10 cat breed SVG bundle. Click that. Have a look at what it is. So perfect, we can use some of these dogs in our design. So again, just click download, commercial and full pod usage allowed. So you don't even have to change this. Oh my gosh, it's crazy. If we go back into pod, right, again, let's just have a look at view all 415,000 graphic. Let's have a look. I mean, you got Peking dogs, you got Hollywood vintage, you got different American flag stuff, you've got dinosaur activity book. This is great for KDP. You've got tropical over here, back to school, cartoon, clip art. Let's have a look at that, because back to school is coming up soon. That's going to be a very trendy niche. And look at all the different clip arts you've got here. This is so cool. Again, commercial and a full pod usage allowed. And that allows you to use it without having to change it, which is awesome. I mean, look at these drawings, they're great, they're so cool. And it's as simple as clicking download, and bam, you're good. You know, it will download in a couple seconds. There we go, started downloading. It's just so cool. Okay, now that you've seen print on demand stuff, you've seen fonts, let's have a look at this one. Now this one is needlework embroidery. Now you have access to every one of these things here, but I'm really starting to like embroidery just because I really like those designs. And I know Printful recently started doing full chest embroidery, but you can't yet add your own artwork from what I'm aware, but soon you will be able to. And look at this, right? Look, they're all ready. It's all ready to go. I mean, I don't know what else to say. This just seems so crazy. Now, as well as all like the fonts, the graphics, the crafts, the needlework stuff, the tools, all of that, you've got classes, which is a really cool element of Creative Fabrica, and that is basically just people have uploaded courses in different elements. So, you know, working with sublimation, getting started with digital planning, how to make an explosion box, you know, all these different things, which again, you can go and start watching whenever you want easily. You've got a whole bunch of tools as well. Font Cloud, Shape Cloud, Web Font Generator, a whole bunch of stuff. And they all do different things, obviously, and they all do really, really cool things. I mean, look at that, right? So here you can have a different picture, you know, you can have different words, and so here are the words, right? And you can do your own word, and that in itself could be a really cool design. So if we add the words like, right, and then let's click update changes, you'll see how this will all change to still fit in with the words that I've picked. And look at that, so I picked the house, I've picked these words, and look what it's done. This alone can make some really, really cool and really unique designs. And then you just have to simply click download. I think you can probably see this is an insane once in a lifetime deal, which is one of the reasons I'm creating a video on it. I wanted to let you know about this as soon as possible so you can start getting access to literally millions of print on demand assets that you can use in your own business. If you click the link below, it will take you to this page, which they very kindly made for me on my behalf. It's how you can access this pretty awesome deal. So you can see access over 4 million fonts for just $1. You can click here, or you can keep going through and reading it. 10 reasons why you should get all access today. And here it just tells you everything that makes this website flipping awesome. So definitely check it out, and let me know in the comments down below if you use Creative Fabrica or you want to get this deal. Let me know what your thoughts are, because for me, my mind is exploding. I'm about to go on a serious binge and download thousands of fonts, thousands of ready-made print-on-demand assets, because it only cost $1. It's crazy. So let me know down in the comments below if you took advantage of this ridiculous offer.